हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी ज़ूलॉजी। और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एमएससी जूलॉजी थर्ड सेमेस्टर का टॉपिक, जिसका नाम है कंपैरेटिव एनाटॉमी ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इज द enlarged cylindrical part of the central nervous system. It is suspended in vertebral column surrounded by the meninges and cerebrospinal fluid. The spinal cord is the continuous of medulla oblongata and extend from the upper border to the atlas to the lower border of the first lumbar vertebra. It is about 45 cm long in adult and is about the thickness of little finger. Some activity of the spinal cord are independent of the brain and are controlled at the level of the spinal cord by spinal reflexes. A cross section of the spinal cord shows that it is composed of gray matter in the center and surrounded by white matter. The spinal cord is a long thin tube-like structure. It is a part of central nervous system. It is start from the medulla oblongata and it extends down to the first and second lumbar vertebra. Spinal cord is a main pathway of brain. Its length is 45 cm in male and 43 cm in female. Vertebral column or spinal column. A column of bone is called vertebra, which is also called spinal cord. As skull protects the brain, exact vertebra protect spinal cord. Between two vertebrae, cartilage connective tissue is present. It provides flexibility to the spinal cord. Total 33 vertebrae present in spinal cord. Types of vertebra. First is cervical vertebra. It is total 7 in number and starts from C1 to C7. Second is thoracic vertebra. It is 12 in numbers and start from T1 to T12. Third is lumbar vertebra. It is 5 in numbers and start from L1 to L5. Fourth is sacrum vertebra. It is also 5 in number and start from S1 to S5. Fifth is coccyx vertebra. It is 4 in number and these are fused. Covering of spinal cord. Like brain, spinal cord is also protected by three layers, which is called meninges. First is dura mater, second is arachnoid matter, and third is pia mater. Spinal cord segment. Spinal cord has 31 segments, and in this every segment arises one pair of spinal nerves. First is cervical vertebra. It has 8 segments. Second is thoracic vertebra. It has 12 segments. Third is lumbar vertebra. It has 5 segments. Fourth is sacrum vertebra. It has 5 segments. And fifth is coccyx vertebra. It has 1 segment. Function of spinal cord. The spinal cord delivers information to the brain. The spinal cord is also capable of coordinating reflexes on its own and also responsible for communication. The spinal cord controls reflex action. Reflex action are those actions that are sudden. Example, when danger is detected. Sensory pathway of spinal cord. Neurons transmit the pulses towards the brain are called sensory. There are two main sources of sensation transmitted to the brain by the spinal cord. These sources are first is skin and second is tendon, muscles and joints. First is the skin. Sensory receptors in the skin are stimulated by pain, heat, cold and touch. The nerve impulses generated are conducted by the neurons of the sensory area. Second is tendons, muscles and joints. Sensory receptors have specialized nerve endings in these structures and they are stimulated by stretch. Motor or movement pathway of the spinal cord. Neurons that transmit nerve impulses away from the brain are called motor neurons. Stimulation of motor neurons result in contraction of skeletal muscles, which is voluntary, and contraction of smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and secretion of glands, which is involuntary. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।